Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the tutorial series number 33 here in Maharlikans code. Okay, we are still in this Yabi series number 13 now guys, and this one we will continue on with our login system. Right now we need to enhance our login system first, and then after that we will log the user token as a to become a persistent user token guys. So this is what we are about to do in this tutorial now, because once we restarted our web server or any kind like or even our web server itself will be restarted guys, then our program will capable of this what do you call this login users authentication. This Yabi here will be able to restore back our the users authentication guys, like the user currently log on, but all those valid users authentication only guys, those valid tokens that we can able to restore it. The login system itself guys is quite huge topic itself, because this one it serves as a more security part of our login system guys. So this is a very important part of our login system as well. In the entire Yabi series, the Yabi series is this is very valuable package that we need to more secure. We need to secure it properly guys, otherwise we have some technical problem there. There's some bugs or it can bypass the thing, but the good thing is in our last discussion we able to prevent any pages that we want this to be protected. We need these pages that cannot be accessed without the user's authentication, without the proper or valid user's identification guys. So that one we have achieved already in our previous discussion. So if you missed that, you can always take back on that video guys. Okay, so also in our GitHub there, so we can publish this new latest source code for this Yabi series guys. Okay, so no worries about that. And then for those people who want to honor here in Maharlikans code, just leave a comment down below guys, don't be shy. Okay, just kidding. Anyway, just comment down below guys. So anything that you want to share or something there, you just leave a comment down below. Okay, just to support this channel also guys. Okay, thank you so much for supporting my channel here in Maharlikans code. We learn together here guys, so no worries, we will share whatever we have achieved here in Maharlikans code. Okay, so we have a lot of topics here, so a lot of series going on, not only this Yabi but in the future thing there. So once we log into our dashboard there's a lot of things that we can do inside that of course inside the user's account guys. So we can maybe probably in our future discussion will be the what do you call this real-time notification guys to the dashboard there, something like there's a notification +1 or something like new notification will be alerted there, the user, something like that guys. So we can probably do that, and then file upload, the user can able to upload the user's profile there, something like the image. These are all the things that we can do, a lot of things there guys. So stay tuned in here in Maharlikans code. Okay, so let's dive into this tutorial guys. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, this is the thing guys, we need to continue about this Yabi series here. At the moment guys, we need to tidy up a bit our application here. This one we want to tidy up this thing guys, because we already fixed it into our write.byte here guys, so to respond as a JSON format there back to the users in our WebAssembly. So this thing is not nice guys, because this one temporarily we put it here at the moment because we want to test it straight away. We need to test first. So right now we need to tidy up a bit guys, so that it will looks more professional guys. Okay, so we will tidy up this one, and then we will base it because once we upload it to to our production server there. We just want to switch it with just a few configuration, guys. So we would like to do some configuration for our Yabi here. So we need to set at least one thing in our main here, guys, in our main .go from the root go, guys. Okay, the root. So we will add maybe below here, so we can just add on, guys. But before that, we need to add some configuration, guys, whether it is a production server or not. So we will, or in the local development there. So easy for us once we publish this into our GitHub. Okay, guys, so we will continue on. So by doing this, we will open this settings.go into our from our Yabi package here, guys. Remember, guys, that this Yabi here, this Yabi package, we will publish this into our GitHub there. So easy for us or you guys there to use this package. Okay, so we will publish this on GitHub. Then you can just go get this one, and then you can use it in your application itself. So it's really a lot of things we have to do, guys, in this Yabi series itself, because this one, after our final product or final software that we will publish and share it with you guys out there, so that we can reuse this Yabi series if you want to use these, guys. Okay, so we will start enhancing our configurations here, like that localhost or a production site. So right now we will enhance this one, guys. So we will create a new simple initialization or the configuration here first, guys, but otherwise we cannot proceed with our clean tidy up. So okay, we will tidy up now, guys. So here we will just have to we will create a what do you call this struct, guys. Okay, hold on for a while, guys. We will create this init Yabi struct. So this is our main configurations, guys, that we need to load. So in the future we will add on a few things, guys. Right now we need to have this base URL first, whether is it a local host or not. Then example, we just put some example here, guys. Maybe our 127.0.0.1. Okay, then there is a port there for our local host, or you can HTTPS here in our production, guys. Like for example, Maharlikanscode.com, our favorite domain. Of course, with the trailing slash, guys, so that we will avoid always putting at the back at the last one, at the last part, we avoid always putting when we concatenate this base URL with our routers, guys. Okay, this one is initialize the common initializes the common configurations, guys. So I just put all this information, guys, so that we will properly note everything, guys. Okay, package use. Okay, and then we will add on this mu, guys. We just use this sync mutex. This one is very useful, guys, when because we are initializing this Yabi struct here, guys. So this sync mutex will properly handle the Golang itself, will properly handle any override, something like that. So like these settings here, it will properly do some locking there, or preventing some in a split second of or something like updating together with the same user, guys. But this one is we just want to prevent this to happen, like any type of memory crashing, guys. For example, because this one is we already initialized, and then when the user try to override it, so this one is just to prevent, guys, most especially when we are doing some configurations, guys, like this kind of struct, we will add this kind of internal sync mutex, guys. So this one just to prevent, this one is to ensure like atomic rights, guys. This what the documentation always say is atomic rights. Okay, so when we write into the memory, it will just prevent something, guys. Okay, this fits. Okay, so we just want to add this, then this sync mutex is also added now. This automatically added. Okay, so right now we need to add another variable, guys. This is our public variable again, so we just add this pointer, guys, for this struct. This one is Yabi, not FB, guys. Okay, the pointer, okay, for init Yabi configuration. Okay, configuration. So we have this initialization. Easy for us to call this init Yabi, guys. So no need for us to always call this struct full name, guys. So we just want to create a shortcut there. Func init Yabi config. So right now we are doing this init Yabi, guys. So this one later, when you use this Yabi package, guys, easy for you to set those configurations, guys. Okay, just hang on for a while, check all the required configurations are in place or not. Okay, just leave it. If length, okay, we just want to check again. Trim space, always do this, guys. Okay, trim space, although it's keep repeating, guys, but it's very useful. Okay, just take your copy, guys. Okay, so now we will set the initial value, guys. Okay, but because we all know when you're working with the local host or your internal thing, this one later, no worries, guys, later you can override this. I will show you later. This one is just our internal initialization, guys, with the default port number, and then with don't forget this trailing slash, guys. Okay, then you can return this init Yabi here. Okay, so we will provide with this v base URL. Okay, it's good enough. Again, our favorite nodes, initialize, always do the nodes, guys. Necessary Yabi configuration and its default value. Okay, values. Okay, now we will try to do the initialization, guys, with the default value here. So we do the func init here, and then we will set something like a set initial default. This one is this one is for the set initial default Yabi config, like that, guys. Okay, enough. Okay, we will use this Yabi now. So init config, and then we will store this init Yabi. So we just want to use this. Okay, we just put blank, guys, because we already set the default value at the moment, because so far we have base URL configurations, guys. So we just in the future we can add multiple configurations here. So at the moment we still have one configurable variable, guys. Okay, for you later you can just change this. I will show you later, guys. No worries. Okay, now we already set. The moment your Go program run and execute this as well, guys. Okay, then it will load this base URL. If you never put this base URL in your main.go, in your root main.go, then I will load this initial value, guys. Otherwise all our URLs here, all these things will be blank, guys. Okay. Please understand, guys. Okay, this one is very important. You should load this. You must load this. Okay, otherwise how we can run your server, the HTTP server. Okay, whether it is a local host or something in your production. So right now we just initialize it with the empty struct, because we know we have the some conditions here. Then we will load automatically. I will load automatically the Yabi. Our Yabi package will load automatically this default address, guys. Okay, with the default port number. Right now we need to do this initial another function, guys. Okay, we will set this. Okay, I'll create this function first. Set Yabi config. This one is your customized now, guys. Okay, init Yabi. This is how you're going to do with your configuration, guys. Okay, this pattern, guys, you will always do this pattern. Okay, these configurations here, later this initialization, and then the user's customization, this part what we are doing now. Okay, this code is really useful for you whenever or whatever you're doing. You are accepting users configurations, guys. Okay, this is very important. You always have this kind of a code. Okay. Okay, so we will do the mu.log. Okay, then we will log first. This one is the user's customization, guys. Otherwise, if you don't want this, then you can no need for you to log, guys. Then you can remove this. But right now we are accepting users own configurations, guys. Later part we will use this, so that's why we need to log first, because we already initialize during this time, during this stage level or whatever the name. This one already set the initialization of this value. Then if the user call this at the here in the main go, whatever the main root.go is residing there, of course it's in the main go here. It's in the root go or root package. Okay, so then we will set this customized value, guys. Okay, we will defer first b.mu then we will unlock, guys. Okay, now we already unlock this. Then we can do the atomic writes for that memory pointer, guys. That pointer there, we will do that. So we can now safely write a new variable. I mean the configurations, guys. Check all the required configurations are in place. Okay, just again on if length. Okay, if length strings that trim space again here. Okay, hold on, guys. b.base URL. Okay, we just save. Sorry, guys, I just actually save only. Okay, so if length base, okay, then we will do this reconfigure now. Reconfigure. Okay, reconfigure the Yabi configurations. Okay, b, we will use that b to overwrite the initial value, guys, and then of course the user's variable as well. Okay, we will return with b. Okay, done. Now we will do this again. Sets the custom this one, custom requirements, custom configurations, guys. Config values from the user side, from the user. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now we will initialize this one, guys. Okay, we will use this here. So probably we can have these things in hold on, guys. So here is the best way here. Okay, so initialize the Yabi Auth API here. Okay, so Yabi base URL, local variable here, guys. So just put some initial values, guys. This is your own, okay, this is your own customized thing, guys. We will customize these Yabi configurations, guys, your own base URL. Okay, this is how we going. This one we are using on top, guys. This one we already set in our previous discussion, a very old discussion, guys. As you can see, we already set here. And then of course this is prod server mode. If it is false, then this is served as the local development, guys. Otherwise, if you set true, then it is a production server. Okay, you are using your domain name. Okay, then we will continue on. So we already catch this IP here. What we're going to do now is we just add the trailing slash there. Okay, this is the default to div localhost. Okay, so if I think is prod. Okay, we already set there on top, so easier for us, guys. Yabi, so we will initialize this config that site base URL. Okay, base URL. So we don't have for production, guys. I guess we don't have. Just go on for that site first. Hold on, guys, I need to check this one. Okay, we have this prod here and then development. Okay, or whether you use this or not. So I think we use this, and then this is for the production side. Okay, so if it is true, then we will use this one, guys. This one, no. Okay, this is the production side here. Yeah, so we use the domain name. Otherwise, it will use the default here, which is the HTTP whatever here, because this one is only IP address, guys, without the HTTP. Okay, so we will add on this HTTP here and then the trailing slash. So right now we need to set this Yabi. Now we will use this one, guys. Set Yabi config. This is your customized one, and then we will use this. Okay, init Yabi. So this is the struct. Then we will supply the base URL. We will supply the what do you call this? Okay, hold on. Base URL with the Yabi. This one, guys, base URL. Base URL. Okay, you just take a look on top, guys, if it's added. Hold on, guys. This here is already added there. So now it is we already set our customized configurations, guys. One more thing we need to do is we will go to this this one, no longer in use. This one we will change accordingly, guys. We will search this kind of thing, HTTP something. I think it's in the auth. Yeah, here. Okay, now we will change this one, guys. Okay, hold on, guys. We will do the correct symbol. Then we will check with yabi.yb that base URL, guys. So now we can easily use this. Just want to copy this one, guys. Okay, so you'll find all those things. So we found 3 here. So this one we also want to change this. Okay, but this one, no, nothing. Okay, so we already changed this one as well. Okay, so another one more. So now it's very clean, guys, and very nice. I hope you okay. But this one is a more recommended way, guys. Okay. Now is very clean, guys. We have these configurations here from our main main go here in our root main.go. So we have now successfully set this. Okay, so it's time to test, guys. This thing is really working or not. So this one is the login page, I guess. No register. This one is the login. Okay, this one is login. So we will see if this one really redirects to the dashboard there, guys, or not. Okay, once we log in successfully. Otherwise it will not succeed, guys, to login. Okay, so we will try this. At the moment this one we don't have changes to the WebAssembly there. Okay, so in the auth.go, so we'll try to run, and then we will try to we have still our one user here. So okay, so we will okay, guys, so we will do this. This one I think we need to refresh first, guys. This is in our previous discussion there. So right now we don't have this yet. So now is a moment of truth, guys. We need to log in. We'll test first, guys. Okay, we will proceed with the correct one. It should redirect to the dashboard immediately, guys. Okay, with our new configurations. Okay, it's working properly, guys. Okay, we'll go back to the login again. Let's see. Okay, it's good. Okay, guys, now our Yabi configurations is totally working, guys. It is able to redirect, guys, with this new one. Okay, we can also test this by fmt print line, but we want to save our time, guys. Okay, we can test along, guys. Okay, you can test also. This one is totally working now, guys. Okay, even if you want to change here this part with your server here, you can always do that, guys. Okay, very nice now, very clean configurations here. We able to successfully set this base URL here. So in the future, guys, if we have multiple configurations, we can add on additional here, guys. Just put a comma here, but right now we only have base URL here, one configuration. Okay, guys, and then we need to enhance this one also, guys. What I mean, this last login, because we need to adjust this when the user successfully log in, guys. At the moment we don't have this we don't have this function yet to update that last login, guys. So what we can do is we need to tidy up first, guys. Func, we will create a new login, guys, under this user.go. Okay, we will create this, and then dbcon, same thing with this one, and then we will just copy this one, guys. Okay, to speed up our thing. And then it's just a simple function, guys, just to update this thing. So we will update here, same thing with our previous one, guys. So dbcon prepare, need to do the update statement, guys. Update, and then plus Yabi user here of constant variable, and then need to set the last login login thing. Okay, the moment the user adjusts, guys. So okay, and and is active is only true. Okay, so we will capture that. Okay, error that is equal to nil, then we just put with our itr log, guys. Okay, error from last login. Okay, just want to easily catch up the thing, guys, not the virus, guys. Okay. We'll update the specific users last login with the current timestamp. Okay, so just do the simple update, guys. Pass all the parameters, parameter values here, update exact. Okay, and then time that now, and then we just use this one, guys, the current timestamp, then the username there, and then it's true. Then after this, we don't forget to close, guys. Defer update, close. Okay, so we have this, and then we would like to insert this in during the successful login, guys. Okay, then probably okay, guys, we will add this here, update the last login, guys. So we will include this during the successful login, guys. So okay, the password match, then successfully we log in here. So okay, so update the users last login to a current timestamp. Okay, then we will use this last login now, dbcon. Okay, and then we will just use this user here. Done, guys. User dot username. Okay, so we have this plain username without the encryption, guys. So we will do this. Yeah, correct. Okay, so we will use this update, guys, and we will now we are about to test this. Okay, right now the last login is this one, guys. So we will have some demo dates here. So since the beginning we never update, guys. Okay, we just want to play around. This one should change to the current timestamp, which is the 2nd of February, guys. Okay, so we will just run this again, and let's see it will update upon successful authentication, guys. Now our server is running. The date is 16th of January. Okay, oops, sorry. Just want to refresh first. Okay, so we will give you the correct password, guys. Okay, so now successfully log in. This one should change upon clicking the browse again, guys. So it's not changing. Okay, guys, we need to check further. Okay, hold on, last login. So this one is true. Hold on, guys, we need to check first. One more thing, we need to double check if any errors there. Okay, with this error, last login. So probably there is an error there, guys. Okay, set last login. Okay, and then this yeah, sometimes this life is messy, guys. Okay, and is active. Okay, so this one should be okay now. Okay, we will run again, guys. So that's why it never changed. We don't have the where statement. Okay, so we will just refresh this. Okay, run again. It should change, guys, to current date timestamp. Okay, now change change to the current timestamp, guys. So far it's the 2nd of February. Okay, so now we are able to slowly tidy up our thing, guys. Okay, so this time, the moment every time the user login successfully, we will update that last login, guys, this field here. So okay, we have done that. So probably in our next discussion, guys, we will do the token here, we need to make it persistent, guys. The time is not permitted for us this time. Okay, so we will do this Yabi user token, guys. We will insert this token upon user registration, upon the successful users login, guys, authentication. Okay, the validation, everything. Once it log in, then we will keep also the token there, guys. Of course, with a byte something, guys. So this structure here is a token key. This is just an index one. This is our username, so we can accept multiple token key. This token key is our encrypted username, guys. Then there is a data here, which is the var binary, so we will store a byte data here. And then of course this token source, probably it's like is a auth, or these are all the indicator only, guys. So our own indicator. Okay, so because we are accepting multiple same token key, which is the username, but with, of course, with different token data. So either the password reset, or users authentication, the auth, or the new users activation. So we will store all in the same table, guys. Okay, of course, with the expire on here in the table. Okay, so we will manage this accordingly. So we will make our token persistent, guys. This is very important when like this, when we stop this server, then all the memory there, all the Golang's map there, everything will be gone, guys. So we want to prevent that to happen. So the moment when we run again, we will restore all the active tokens only, guys. Okay, so that one should be our next target, guys. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching here in Maharlikans Code, and I hope you enjoy our tutorial series here, guys, in Maharlikans Code, and we learn together here in Maharlikans Code. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial series, and I hope it's valuable for you guys out there, also especially those students, or those people who just learn Golang, guys, and then we can work together here, we can learn together here in Maharlikans Code. Just leave a comment down below, guys, to shout out you in our next section, to honor you here in Maharlikans Code by reading your comments and flashing out in our screen into this shout out section for our every end of our video, guys. Okay, because our priority is the tutorial series here. Okay, but I would like to honor you here in Maharlikans Code, those viewers, and then those students. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Okay, so that I will be honored also. Okay, we have some few comments here, guys. We would like to read, and also in our previous videos, tutorial videos here. So maybe I will honor those people also. Those who commented in our previous very old videos, guys, that we have here. Okay, so the first user that we would like to honor here is in our previous discussion, she commented this. His name is maybe her name, I don't know, Ayumi Pau Pau. Okay, Ayumi Pau Pau, thank you so much for commenting out on my video. Okay, on my tutorial video, guys. And then another one is from our previous discussion, guys. This one very old, in our how to publish Golang package, in our section here, in our last discussion. His name is Annoying Rush. Okay, just Annoying Rush, thank you so much for commenting a nice comment here. And thank you for watching. And also Bandari Official. Yeah, okay, so thank you so much, Bandari, for your nice comment here in Maharlikans Code. Okay, and then another guy is Nitish Dobi. Okay, thank you so much, Nitish, for commenting out on my old video. Okay, then those people I honor here in Maharlikans Code. Thank you so much, guys, for watching here in Maharlikans Code, and I hope you enjoy a lot here, and thank you so much for watching. And then please consider subscribing, guys, to my channel, and we can learn together here in Maharlikans Code for those people who don't subscribe yet. Okay, thank you so much for watching. May God bless us all. Thank you, and bye bye. Keep safe, everyone.